Hi, my name is Zhou Feng. I'm the co-founder and vice president of Bugong Software. We are in the Rockwell Automation Technology Partner Program. Bugong Software and Rockwell Automation, we together delivered a digitalized manufacturing solution. Based on Bugong's strong algorithm, AI, and modeling capability, we provide a total solution from the supply chain, control tower, to the advanced planning and scheduling. We help our customers connect their business and data so that even different departments, factories, and even regions are able to work in sync. Our control tower and integrated collaborative planning enable our customers to immediately see, evaluate, and act to the impact of any changes across the entire supply chain. Our what-if simulation empowers our customers the ability of real-time decision-making to reduce the costs and risks. Our whole solution empowers the management, enabling seamless coordination, improve efficiency, and achieve green manufacturing. Bugong Software addressed the critical needs to provide APS systems and integrated collaborative planning solutions between a Rockwell automation manufacturing system, such as advanced scheduling that provides detailed many-level scheduling for short-term operation and maximize production efficiency on the shop floor. Bugong Software and Rockwell Automation support a variety of industry, including auto industries, food and beverage, equipment manufacturing, and electronics. For more information, please visit us on the partner locator. Thank you.